So as we were driving here, beginning our drive to Stockholm, I just thought I might explain a bit what I'm going there to do. I've gotten invited to a trading event, I think, yeah, summer party. We will also explore Stockholm a bit, and tomorrow and the day after tomorrow I have some even more exciting things to do, but more on that later. First we're going to Mall of Scandinavia to pick up a backpack. I don't know if you can see, but right behind me about all clothes I have, but I have no backpack. I'm too broke to have more clothes, or I used to say I'm a minimalist to make it sound cooler. Just kidding. Car is completely quiet when I drive. Insanely fast here on the interstate, legally of course, but still very, very fast too. Still quiet. That's a Tesla. My dream car, more of my future car, I would say. Not overly confident in driving among these many vehicles. Oh, he cut me off. This is kind of the same angle we do when we fly, so I guess I'm the pilot now. Putting one hand on top of the wheel so I look a bit cooler. Alright, I'm gonna go. So far so good. This is a lot of orange signs, not a good sign. That's a very weird intersection. Back on track. Pew, 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 pew. Tänkte med det. Almost crashed a bit. About 2 hours since I left. Another Tesla. Great cars, I think. Oh, I think this is the mall actually. Quite certain. I just wanted to be... What do we got here then? That went quite easy. I wonder if I should follow the arrows on the ground. Seems reasonable, right? That was very loud, I'm so sorry. Right, we're here. Okay, the goal is simple. Find the backpack and remember the key. Hi. Was that the smallest escalator? I think it's called so, right? I'm on the hunt for a cheap hand baggage. Oh, this looks good. Yeah, no. I think this is it. I think I'm here. The bags were so expensive, I don't know where I got the bag. I did. I found a cheap one actually, so it's sitting cool with the hand again. But I think also I'm gonna go and get something to eat before I leave here. Eat when you can, you know. Almost crashed a little. I wonder where this thing goes. I think that was about as close as I can go without damaging something. American parking spots are way bigger. Oh lord, it's bright. The plan now is to head into Stockholm city, find my hotel, find some parking and perhaps explore a bit. It's a questionable route the GPS is giving me as usual. Wow, this is beautiful. I now passed my target. No signs of an exit. Okay, that's where I should have done my U-turn, I see now. Damn, Stockholm is big. Can't imagine you guys driving in Los Angeles with 10 million people. Only about 1 million here, I think. You hear that? It's 4 minutes left, according to the GPS. But we know how that worked previously on the trip. 20 minutes later, back where I was about, 20 minutes ago. Here you go. Tomorrow when I'm leaving for the next adventure, I'm for sure gonna go a bit earlier with all this traffic. But what that is, you will have to see tomorrow, I guess. I think I might made it. I've been driving around for about 40 minutes. It should have taken 15. But I guess that's more me than the city. Didn't think that through, huh? Alright, that went smooth. Finally made it into town. So now I'm gonna try to locate my hotel and see if I can check in a bit early. As you probably can see, I got a room without the window, but that shouldn't stop me from doing a room tour. So now we're heading out to the town and check what's going on there. Well, it seems like it started to rain, but that won't stop me. Bio. Ironing pipe. Ironing failed, so I'll use this instead. What's the story about this little paper? Well, someone called me a couple of months ago, told me he was from IG. So I guess I got some kind of upgrade as a client or customer. He told me I can call him, and he was a really great guy. Then I got this a couple of weeks ago, and now I'm here. So we'll see what it is. So originally, as I told you before, if I did include that in the video, I was going with my cousin, but he called in sick, so I will be going alone, was the plan. But I have a friend from here I haven't met in a really long time, so I asked her if she would like to join me, and she did. So I'll meet her up in about 1 hour. It's time to go. Gotta get the phone. The weather doesn't seem to be too good. But based on my ability to scope the weather, I think it's just a CB pulling over, so it shouldn't be too long here. Hopefully. Perhaps I was wrong, but I found shelter. After coming in here, we thought we were gonna get up a bit early, but after seeing a bunch of dressed up suits, we decided to wait to let them kickstart the party for us. Okay, so we're going in here to the elevator. We have an old button, so I guess that's the sign, if any. Tack så mycket. Okay, we are at the event here. It's a really nice place, as you have seen, but it started raining now, as you can also see probably. I found one I've followed for a while. He had helped me a lot, so I'm gonna go and try to meet him. even though the music is so insanely loud, I won't probably hear what they say, and he will probably don't hear me, but that's fine. I will have met him at least. DD, day debrief. When we came to the event, there was a bunch of dressed up people who really seemed to know what they were doing, but it started also pouring down. But it was really funny. Natalie is a great person, so we had a lot of fun there, and yeah, I actually had really fun today. So that's fun. In the next video, next after this, if something unexpected doesn't happen, which it probably will, but in most cases it will still continue to be this video. In that video, I'm leaving the car behind and taking a bus, Airbus, and I'm going international. So if you want to see that, subscribe or just watch anyways. That's actually an option, even though most YouTubers doesn't give it to you. Thank you for watching. I've been in my hotel room now for a while, and I seem like I have some difficulties talking. I don't know if it was because I got cold in the event, I got cold and got cold, or I screamed so much, or the slight throwback to the almost cold I had a week ago or something. I don't know really, but I feel like tomorrow might be a problem speaking. Yeah, I just walked in. So I ordered the